Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're reviewing the Samsung Drone Camera Phone, a revolutionary device that combines the power of a smartphone with the thrill of a drone. Let's dive in and see what it has to offer. Features of Samsung Drone Camera Phone. Display. This upcoming smartphone of Samsung company is going to get a better large-size display screen. This Samsung phone has a 7.25-inch Dynamic AMOLED, whose resolution will be 1440 into 3088 and 500 pixels per inch screen density. Apart from this, refresh rate of 144 Hz is also going to be included. Keeping screen security in mind, this phone will also have Gorilla Glass protection. Camera setup. In this upcoming new smartphone of Samsung, the feature making the most headlines is its drone camera. Because drone camera setup has been given in this phone is going to have 108 megapixel wide-angle primary camera, 48 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and 12 megapixel telephoto lens. Along with this phone also includes dual LED flashlight. In this phone, the selfie camera on the front will be of a very good level. This phone has a 200 megapixel drone camera, which has a very amazing feature. The flying time of this camera is going to be 30 minutes, which you will be able to control from your mobile. Battery backup. The battery in this drone camera smartphone also be seen to be very good. This smartphone has a large battery of 7000 mAh, 125 watt fast charging support, 25 watt wireless charging support, and 10 watt reverse charging can also be available. Price or launch date. Talking about its price is expected to be around $2,500. And if we talk about the launch date, no official information has been received about it yet, but it is expected that it will be introduced in 2025.